Many people want a flatter belly. It's about feeling good and being healthy. Belly fat can be a problem, but we can solve it together. This guide will help you lose belly fat in a healthy way. We'll focus on natural foods and simple changes. You can do this. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great. Let's start this journey to a healthier you. 90 days is the perfect time to make a change. It gives your body time to adjust to new habits. You'll see real results, which is motivating. Think of it as creating a new lifestyle, one step at a time. It's not about quick fixes, it's about lasting change. We'll focus on delicious foods and simple exercises. You'll be amazed by what you can achieve in just 90 days. We'll use the power of nature to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Nature has provided us with an abundance of ingredients that not only enhance our health, but also aid in burning fat. These ingredients have been used for centuries in various cultures for their medicinal properties and are now gaining recognition in the modern world for their effectiveness in weight management. To help you lose belly fat, we have identified 6 exotic fat burners that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. These natural ingredients work synergistically with your body to boost metabolism, reduce inflammation, and promote a feeling of fullness, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet and exercise plan. These 6 special ingredients boost your metabolism and help you feel full, making it easier to manage your weight. Let's take a closer look at each of these powerful fat burners and how they can benefit your health and weight loss journey. Turmeric. This bright yellow spice is a powerful anti-inflammatory. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that has been shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which are linked to obesity. Adding turmeric to your diet can help improve digestion and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Green tea. This popular drink is full of antioxidants that help your body burn fat. Green tea contains catechins, which are natural antioxidants that boost metabolism and increase fat burning, especially during exercise. Drinking green tea regularly can also improve brain function and lower the risk of certain cancers. Ginger. This root helps with digestion and fights bloating. Ginger has thermogenic properties, meaning it can slightly increase your body temperature and help you burn more calories. It also helps reduce appetite and improve digestion, making it a great addition to any weight loss plan. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. Chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, helping you feel full for longer periods. They are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Baobab fruit. This African fruit is rich in vitamin C and helps regulate blood sugar. Baobab fruit is also high in fiber, which can help control appetite and support healthy digestion. Its high antioxidant content can help protect your cells from damage and support overall health. Maca root. This Peruvian root boosts energy and helps balance hormones. Maca root is known for its adaptogenic properties, which means it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. It can also improve mood, increase stamina, and support healthy hormone levels, making it a valuable addition to your diet. Incorporating these 6 exotic fat burners into your daily routine can provide a natural and effective way to support your weight loss goals. Whether you add them to your meals, enjoy them as teas, or blend them into smoothies, these ingredients can help you achieve a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is consistency and making sustainable changes to your diet and exercise habits. So start today and let the power of nature guide you on your journey to a healthier you. Let's look at how each ingredient helps you achieve a healthier lifestyle and a more balanced diet. Each of these ingredients has unique properties that contribute to your overall well-being. Turmeric, often referred to as the golden spice, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common issue that can lead to various health problems, including the accumulation of belly fat. By incorporating turmeric into your meals, you can help reduce inflammation and support your body's natural healing processes. Whether you add it to soups, stews, or smoothies, Turmeric is a versatile ingredient that can enhance both the flavor and nutritional value of your dishes. Green tea is another powerful ingredient that can boost your health. Rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, green tea helps increase your metabolism. A higher metabolic rate means your body can burn more calories even at rest. Drinking green tea regularly can aid in weight management and improve overall energy levels. Enjoy it hot or cold, and consider adding a squeeze of lemon for an extra dose of vitamin C. Ginger is a well-known remedy for digestive issues. It helps soothe the digestive system, reducing symptoms like bloating and discomfort. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogales, which have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Adding fresh ginger to your tea, smoothies, or meals can provide a zesty flavor while promoting a healthy gut. Chia seeds are tiny but mighty. When soaked in water, they expand and form a gel-like consistency, which can help you feel fuller for longer periods. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein, making them a nutritious addition to your diet. Sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or make a delicious chia seed pudding. Baobab fruit is a superfood that offers a range of health benefits. It is packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. One of its key benefits is its ability to stabilize blood sugar levels, which can help prevent cravings and energy crashes. Adding baobab powder to your smoothies or oatmeal can give you a nutritional boost and help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Maca root is known for its adaptogenic properties, which means it helps the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. It provides sustained energy without the jitters associated with caffeine. Additionally, maca root can help balance hormones, which is crucial for managing belly fat storage. Incorporate maca powder into your smoothies, energy bars, or even baked goods for a natural energy boost. By incorporating these ingredients into your diet, you'll be nourishing your body with their powerful properties. Each ingredient brings its own unique benefits, contributing to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Whether you're looking to reduce inflammation, boost metabolism, improve digestion, or maintain steady energy levels, these natural ingredients can support your health journey. So, start experimenting with these superfoods and discover the positive impact they can have on your well-being. Section 5. Your 90-Day Plan. Simple steps, big results. This plan is designed to help you achieve your health and fitness goals through small, manageable steps that lead to significant changes over time. By following this plan, you'll be able to incorporate healthy habits into your daily routine without feeling overwhelmed. Here's how to use these ingredients. Week 1 to 4. During the first 4 weeks, you'll focus on establishing a solid foundation for your new healthy lifestyle. This means paying attention to what you eat and drink, and making small adjustments that can have a big impact. Morning. Start your day with warm water and lemon. This simple drink can help kickstart your metabolism, aid digestion, and provide a refreshing start to your day. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. Followed by a green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and can help boost your metabolism. It's a great way to stay hydrated and energized in the morning. Breakfast. Enjoy a smoothie with chia seeds, baobab fruit powder, and a pinch of turmeric. Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack a lot of nutrients into one meal. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, baobab fruit powder is high in vitamin C, and turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, and a pinch of turmeric. Adding these ingredients to your smoothie can help boost your immune system and keep you feeling full and satisfied until your next meal. Lunch and dinner. Add ginger and turmeric to your meals. Both of these spices have powerful health benefits. Ginger can help with digestion and reduce nausea, while turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. And turmeric to your meals. Week 5 to 12. As you move into the next phase of the plan, continue with the previous steps. By now, these habits should start to feel more natural and integrated into your daily routine. Continue with the previous steps. Consistency is key. The more you stick to these healthy habits, the more benefits you'll see. It's all about making these small changes a regular part of your life. Snacks. Have a handful of nuts or seeds with a sprinkle of maca powder. Nuts and seeds are great sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Adding maca powder can provide an extra boost of energy and nutrients, or seeds with a sprinkle of maca powder. Week 13 to 90. In the final phase of the plan, continue incorporating these powerful ingredients into your daily routine. By now, you should have a good understanding of what works best for you and how to maintain these healthy habits. Continue incorporating these powerful ingredients into your daily routine. This is the time to really solidify these habits and make them a permanent part of your lifestyle. Experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy most. Don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Try new recipes, mix and match ingredients, and discover new flavors that you love and find what you enjoy most. This is your journey, and it's important to find what works best for you. Enjoy the process and have fun with it. This is just a sample plan. Remember, this plan is just a starting point. You can adjust it based on your preferences, dietary needs, and lifestyle. You can modify it based on your preferences and dietary needs. The most important thing is to find a routine that you can stick to and that makes you feel your best. Good luck on your journey to better health. Section 6. Beyond the plate. Move your body, hydrate, and thrive. Food is important, but so is movement. Find an activity you enjoy. Walking, dancing, or swimming are great options. Start slowly. Aim for 30 minutes most days of the week. Drinking enough water is crucial for your body to function properly. Carry a water bottle with you. Sip on it throughout the day. Add slices of lemon or cucumber. It makes drinking water more enjoyable. Section 7. Listen to your body. Finding what works best for you. Every body is different. What works for one person might not work for another. Pay attention to how you feel. Notice how your body responds to different foods and activities. Don't be afraid to adjust. This is your journey to a healthier you, so customize it to fit your needs. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. There will be good days and challenging days. Section 8. You've got this. Embrace the journey to a healthier you. You're not alone on this journey. Millions of people are on a similar path to better health. Surround yourself with support. Talk to your friends and family about your goals. Celebrate your successes. No matter how small they may seem, acknowledge your achievements. Believe in yourself and your ability to make positive changes. You are capable of achieving your goals. Section 9. Start today. Your flatter belly awaits. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. The best time is now. Take that first step. Begin incorporating one new habit at a time. Embrace the journey. It's not just about the destination. It's about enjoying the process of becoming healthier. You have the power to transform your health and well-being. Your flatter belly and a healthier, happier you await.